Good morning, friends. Today we'll start from 11th, probably 10th. I hope 10th complete. Yes. 11th. If a particle is projected with a speed u and its time of flight u by g, the maximum height attained by the particle is. So, if the particle is projected with a velocity u and its time of flight is u by g, the maximum height attained by the particle. Okay. Time of flight of the particle t is given, capital T, that is u by g. Then they are asking maximum height. H max or maximum height formula u square sin square theta by 2g. So options given in u square and g, in terms of u square and g. So they did not mention angle of projection. So we need to find the sin theta. What is sin theta? Here. Now they given total time of flight. What is total time of flight formula T? That is 2u sin theta by g is equal to u by g. Clear? Understand? So from here, what do you do? Just u sin theta you make it find out, because u square sin square theta is there. G cancel. U sin theta is equal to u by 2. Clear? This u sin theta substitute here, that's all. U square sin square theta is there. U sin theta is u by 2. So square this. U by 2 whole square by g. This is u square by 2 square is 4. Comes down 4g. So the answer is u square by 4g. Next, 12th one. The velocity of projectile is v. The velocity of projectile is v. R is equal to 4 root 3 h. The range of the projectile on horizontal plane is here. So they given projected with what velocity is projected with v, and one relation is given. R is equal to 4 root 3 h. Okay, the range of the projectile on the plane is equal. R is the question mark. What is R formula? R is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Options also there in terms of u square and g. So what we need to find? We need to find theta to get the answer. So from this relation we are going to get theta. Already we mentioned the relation R and H relation. R by H or H by R. That already we have done. What is that relation? R by H or H by R. H by R is equal to, what is that? H by R. We have done in the previous class. That is tan inverse of 4, I think. Yes? Or it's given here. What did they give? The maximum height they did. Or we will make it a relation otherwise. What is that? If you take R by H, I am framing the relation u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g by u square sin square theta by 2g. G cancel, this goes off, u square cancel one side. This we will get 4 goes off, 4 cos theta. Am I correct? Cos by sin, R by H. Then H by R, what do you get? This is R by H. H by R, what do you get? 1 by 4 tan theta, right? Okay? This is the relation. Now what did they give? R is equal to 4 root 3 H. We have H by R. From this H by R, how do you write? H by R 1 by 4 root 3. Am I correct? Now substitute here. 1 by 4 root 3 is equal to 1 by 4 tan theta. 4 cancel. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. For what angles? Tan theta is 1 by root 3. Okay? This is what is that? Theta is equal to 30 degree. Sin tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Clear? Now theta we got 30 degree. This 30 degree substitute in range formula. Okay? What we will get? U square. Theta is 30. 2 theta is there. So sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. So the answer is U square root 3 by 2g. Yeah, our projected velocity v. So this answer we can write v square root 3 by 2g. Understand? From this relation we got the angle. That angle we substituted in the range form. So this is only to find the relation. If you know the formula, then you can substitute directly. Clear? Next, 13th problem. 13 is what? A projectile is projected with the initial velocity u is equal to 6 I cap plus 8 j cap meter per second. Horizontal range is theta is g asking us to take 10. Okay, 10 meter per second square. They are asking range. Clear? There are two ways to find this answer, but we will try to find simple way. See, this is in velocity form. What is initial velocity? How do we write? U is equal to ux I cap plus uy j cap. Am I right? Yes or no? Ux is what? U cos theta for a projectile motion components. And uy is equal to u sin theta. Compare this two vectors. What is there in ux place? 6. Means u cos theta is equal to 6. U sin theta is equal to 8. Clear? Now range is what? They are asking range. Range is the question mark. Range formula is this. I am expanding. U to u sin theta u cos theta by g. Nothing wrong. Sin theta formula is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 is there. Sin theta is there. Cos theta is there. U into u square. Then u cos theta. What is u sin theta? 8. What is u cos theta? 6 by g value is 10. Clear? So calculate, we get the answer. 2 5s. Okay? Then 5 ones. 5.156. 16 into 6, 96. One decimal is there. 9.6 meters. This is one method. Second method is what? Same. Finding angle tan theta. Okay, tan theta is what? 8 by 6. Then find the sin theta. Then find the cos theta. This is lengthy method. So don't go for this. This is direct method. Clear? Understand? Next, 14. this angle. Next one, 14. If two balls are thrown up at an angle 30 degree and 45 degree respectively with the horizontal, if the ball attain same vertical heights, the ratio of velocities with which these are thrown, heights are same, but their angle of projections are different, and projection velocity are also different. So they are asking the angles ratio. Clear? So whenever they ask the ratio questions, first write the formula. H is equal to u square sin square by 2g. This is the H formula. What they are asking? Velocities ratio they are asking, and they mention H is same, G is same for both. Okay, then asking ratios, you make it subjective. They are asking this velocity ratio, and angles also change. That you move one side, and constants are one side. Constants one side. Why I am saying constant? H is same for both. G is same for both. So then in the ratio, what will happen? These two will be cancelled. So that how can we write? The ratio, this is u1 square sin square theta by u2 square sin square theta is equal to, what is that? H by 2g, h by 2g. Understand? These two will be cancelled. Clear? So then u1 sin square theta is equal to u2 square sin square theta. Here theta is also changed. So theta 1, theta 2, theta 1, theta 2. They are asking velocities ratio. So u1 square by u2 square is equal to sin square theta 2 by sin square theta 1. Clear? Then u1 by u2 they are asking, and the root of, then square will goes, then what you will get? Both sides square is there, then square also will be cancelled. We will get sin theta 2 by sin theta 1. If you want, I will write, no problem, square. So both squares are there. Root of sin square theta 2, sin theta 2, root of sin square theta 1, sin theta 1. Then this will be, what is the theta 1? According to question, theta 1, first angle is 30 degree and theta 2 is 45 degree. Then sin theta 2 45, sin 45, 1 by root 2. Am I correct? Next, sin theta 1 30, 1 by 2. Then this will be 2 by root 2. Root 2 is to 1. Clear? Option 2 is correct. See, I have given lengthy explanation to make it formula, but in the examination don't do this. Which are the constant? H2G is constant. Directly you go this step. U1 square sin theta 1 is equal to U2 square sin square theta. From this you do it, you will get the answer. But what I explained here, how to make the formula whenever they ask the ratio. Clear? Make a note of this. Next, 15th one. At what point of projectile motion acceleration and velocity are perpendicular to each other? So, 15. Draw the projectile. This is the projectile motion diagram. Clear? Part of the projectile. What did they ask? At what point projectile motion acceleration and velocity are perpendicular? If you take this point, velocity is in this direction, acceleration acts exactly down. Wherever you take, acceleration always acts downwards. This is due to gravity. Draw the tangent. If you draw the tangent here, draw the tangent here, everywhere, all around this, are all, at all points, Are these two perpendicular? No. If you draw here tangent, see this is the case at the top of its path or its motion. Their velocity, this is velocity and this is acceleration. Both are perpendicular. For a projected motion at a maximum height. At a maximum height, velocity and acceleration both are in perpendicular. Already I mentioned in where acceleration vector, the angle between acceleration vector and velocity vector lies between 0 to 180. Okay? Clear? So here it is 180. Sorry, here it is 90. At the top of its path are at the maximum height. Next come to 16 question. A particle is thrown with a speed 40 meter per second at an angle 60 degree with the horizontal. Taking initial point as the origin, the coordinates of the point where the velocity of particle is minimum. Okay? They are asking where the projectile velocity is. They are asking coordinates of the point where the velocity of particle is minimum. By saying this figure, we can understand. Instead of this, except this point, everywhere particle has a two velocities. At the top of its, at a maximum height, velocity is minimum because only it has horizontal component. So we need to find this coordinate. This coordinate means what? It has horizontal displacement x, it has vertical displacement. If you take this on, it is nothing but y. So we need to find x comma y. In x comma y, x is the what? If you take it this total horizontal distance, this horizontal distance we call it as what? Range. But x is what? Exactly half. So x is r by 2, y is nothing but height. Clear? So now here what did they give? Projection velocity given 40 meters per second. Angle of projection given theta is equal to 60 meter per, only 60 degrees. Clear? First try to find out h or range. Range we require r by 2. So r is equal to 2u sin theta cos theta by r by 2 we are writing. So 2 I am writing. Why I did not write sin 2 theta? Theta is 60, sin 120. Again theta plus 30, 90 plus 30. If to avoid that confusion, you take directly because sin 60 we know, cos 60 we know. If you are perfect, you can take it directly, no problem. Then what happens to do cancel? Substitute the values. 40 sin 60 root 3 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2. So g into 2 into 2. G asking us to take 10. So 10. Clear? So 20 is again 10 cancel. U square it is. Okay? So again into one more 40. U square I written only 40. Clear? 1 2's 20, second 2's 10, this 10 cancel. So root 3 by 2 for sin 60, cos 60 1 by 2. Understand? Clear? Now what is the final answer? Root 3 into 1 into 40. This is 40 root 3 meters. We got what? R. Next come to H. H is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. U square is 40 into 40 sin square theta. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 square root 3 into root 3 by 2 into 10 2g into for this root 3 by 2 is there into 2. Okay, 2 ones, 2 twos, 1 twos, here 20, 1 twos, 10. This 10, 10 cancel. Again ones, 20. 20 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 20, 16 meters. So the coordinate is first 40 root 3 x value, next 60. It's there. Yeah, 40 root 3 comma 60. Understand? They given very logically in this question where the find the coordinates of taking into mind coordinates of the point where the velocity is minimum. They did not ask directly find the maximum height coordinates. Understand? This is indirect question. So we need to, based on the question, we need to find the point where the given where the point mentioned. Okay. Next 17. A gun is aimed at the target in a line of barrel. The target is released and allowed to fall under gravity. At the same instant, the gun is fired. The bullet will horizontal range of the bullet is greater than the horizontal distance between gun and head. Okay, then the bullet will pass over the target, pass below the target, hit the target, suddenly miss the target. This is interesting question. Suppose what they mentioned, a gun is aimed at a target line of barrel. Okay, this is a vehicle. Okay, this is the gun. The targeted here, target is there. Now it is a line of sight, right? If instantly find the bullet, it straightly goes and hit. It actually it is bullet will not move, but it is kept like this. Understand? Right? Now, instantly when gun fired, target also released. It will fall down like this. As soon as bullet fire. Okay? Then what did they ask? Passes above the target, passes below the target, hit the target, suddenly miss the target. So it is hit the target. Reason. See, bullet will not, it will move certain range, certain distance straight. But after that it follows like this. Understand? Here it is distance looking very small. But in the practical situation, if it is long distance, then what happened? What happened? Bullet never goes straight. I mean, certain distance it moves straight. After that, it falls down. It comes down due to gravity. Same situation here. Bullet up to here moves straight. Then after it follows projectile. It follows this path. So what happened to reach this point? It takes time t. Meanwhile, what happened? This stone will falls down. So that there is a chance to hit the target. Understand? Sir, what we have to do? If you want to hit the target at the original position of the target, then we need to aim above the target. If this barrel, if you make it above, if you change the direction just above the target, if you fire the bullet, then bullet moves and hits like this. So, whenever we want to hit the target, we have to aim above the target. Understand? Then due to this gravity, what happens? It comes down and it hits the target. Clear now? So this is very interesting question. Sometimes we do have a question. A boy wants to hit the monkey. It is sitting on the branch. Then boys throw a stone to the monkey. To avoid that, monkey has to jump up or down. Then monkey has to move up or down. This is the same case. Clear? If monkey comes down, there is a chance to hit a. Okay? If you go up, then no problem. Understand? Because due to projectile, what happened? Due to gravity, projectile will comes down. If monkey jumps down, then what will happen? There is a chance to stone may hit the monkey. Clear? If you move down, if you go up, no other chance, because then due to gravity, the stone will not move up; it comes down. So, which is the best chance to the monkey? It's going up. Okay. So next 18. Two balls projected with the same speed such that range is same for one ball. Angular projection is 60 and maximum height is 1 or 2 meters. The maximum height reached by the other. Okay. Very simple. Range remains same. One angle is given. Theta 1 is 60 degrees. Theta 2 would be, that is 90 minus 60. Theta 2 is 30 degree. Because range is same. Next, for angular projection, the maximum height is for theta 1. For 60 degree projection, height h1 is how many? 1 or 2 meters. They are asking h2. Okay. Then range remains same. They are asking height. Okay. Then how do we find this h2? h2 formula h2 is equal to u square sin square. This is u2. They did not mention what angle of projection. They mentioned, but projection speed they did not mention. By 2b. Okay. For h1, how do you write? h1 is equal to u1 square sin square theta 1 by 2g. h2 is asking, then how do we write? h2 by h1. 2g will cancel. Otherwise, I have to write here. h2 by h1 is equal to u2 square sin square theta 2 by 2g total by u1 square sin square theta 1 by 2g. 2g cancel. So u2 square sin square theta 2 by u1 square sin square theta 1. No. By this also we don't get. They are asking h1. Clear. h1 we substituted. h1 we will get. h2 we will substitute. u1 square, u2 square will be there. And also they mentioned same speed. We forgot this. So same speed means u1 is equal to u2. In that case, these two will be cancelled. u1 is equal to u2. They mentioned same speed in the question. Actually, I did not concentrate. So this is a very important part. We need to read question carefully. So h2 by h1. What do you get finally? Sin square theta 2 by sin square theta 1. Then this implies h2 by, what is h1 value? 1 or 2 is equal to sin theta 2. Theta 2 is 30 degree. Sin 30, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square by sin 60 root 3 by 2 square. Right? So h2 is equal to, this is 1 by 4 by 3 root 3 whole square. So this is 3 by 4 into 1 or 2 goes that side. This 4 cancel. 1 or 2 by 3. 3 is 34 meter. Clear. So x2 value is 34 meter. Next 19. What did they give? 19. Two stones are projected with the same velocity and at an angle alpha and 90 minus alpha. If y1 and y2 are the greatest heights in the two parts, then how are the horizontal distance? How are the horizontal range d? Y1 and y2 are related. Okay, they are asking heights in the relation between range and heights. Already I think we have done this in the previous. We have done or not? If not, we will do, no problem. Okay, we will do. Okay, what did they give? Alpha and 90 minus alpha. For this range remains same, but their heights same like this only. So, how do we do? They are asking in terms. So, y1 is equal to, what is that? For first u square sin square alpha by 2g. Next y2 u square sin square 90 minus alpha by 2g. Right? For these two, what happened? Range remains same. That range r is equal to, we will write as d. So they are asking in terms of d. Clear? This, how do we get? Y2 square is equal to u square sin square 90 minus alpha cos alpha. So this is cos square alpha by y2 is equal to u square cos square alpha by 2. So do product y1 and y2, but because in the options product is there, y1 into y2 is there. Whether we will get root or not, by doing this we will come to know. So then u square sin square alpha, u square cos square alpha by 2g. Right? Am I correct or not? Okay, general R formula, you know, R is equal to R formula 2u sin theta cos theta by g. Okay, this is general formula. But here we have a square terms is there. So if I write r square, what it would be? 4, 2 square is 4 u square sin square theta cos square theta by g square. Am I correct or not? So here u square sin square by 2g, only 1 2g I written, u square cos square alpha by 2g is there into 2g, right? Understand? So y1 and y2 is equal to u square sin square alpha u square cos square alpha by 4g square. Clear? So if we follow this formula, R formula already we know. If you square it, 4 u square sin square theta cos square theta by g square. Same terms are there here. So you forget a u here, one more u, and you will get here u square. Right? 2 u sin theta u cos theta by g square and 4 u square sin square theta u square cos square theta by g square. Right? All terms are there. Am I correct or not? U square sin square alpha is there. U square cos square alpha is there. By g square is there. And here we have an additional term here 4. Am I correct or not? Okay. So from this, if you make it this subjective, what is that subjective? U square sin square theta, u square cos square theta by g square. If you make it subjective, then this will be r square by 4. Am I correct or not? Okay, this I can write. What is that? R square by 4. So y1, y2 by r square by 4. Then r square is equal to 4, sorry, r square by 4, 1 more 4 is there, into 4. Then r square, if you make it subject to, then this will be 16 y1 y2. Then r is equal to square root of 16 y1 y2. Then this root 16 is 4 y1 y2. So what is the relation now? This r they mention as d. So then this we can write d is equal to 4 into under root of y1 y2. Clear? Okay, come to 20. A particle is moving at an angle such that time of flight is 10 seconds and horizontal range is 100 meters. The angle of projection is. So the particle thrown at an angle such that its time of flight is 10 seconds. After t is equal to 10 seconds. Then horizontal range r is equal to 100 meters. Okay. The angle of projection is, they are asking theta. Substitute their formulas and take the ratio, we will get the answer. What is T formula? That is total time of flight. U 2u sin theta by t is equal to 10. This is the equation 1. Range formula 2u sin theta cos theta by g is equal to 100. This is the equation 2. Okay. You do 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. Clear? 2 u square sin theta cos theta. You do 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. Then what do we get? U we will get. So range they mention maximum. No, if they mention then no problem. We will get answer. Then time of flight is there. Okay. Then how do we get these 100 seconds? Okay, then first point, because if you take the ratio, then what will happen? One u term will u, here we have a u, here we have a u square. One u will be cancelled. We will have one more u not mentioned. To cancel u square, then I am squaring this. Square the first equation and then divide. Squaring the first equation 4 u square sin square g by g square by 2 u square sin theta cos theta by g. This is equal to 100 by 100. 10 square is 100. So u square cancel. 1 sin theta cancel. 1 g cancel. Then what do you get here? 100 also cancel. Here I am writing 4 sin theta by g total by what is there here? 2 cos theta. This is equal to 1. Right? Again this comes down 4 sin theta by 2g cos theta is equal to 1. These two ones, 2's. Am I correct? So 2 by 10 or 2 by g sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1. Right? So 2 by 10 g value tan theta is equal to 1. 5. So tan theta is equal to 5. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 5. Given answer, yes, it is given tan inverse of 5. Clear? So, to cancel u square, we have done this. Clear? If we find another way, you can do it. No problem. Next 21. 21. A ball is thrown so that its height is h1 and h2 at a time t1 and t2 respectively. The ball is thrown at an angle with a horizontal and its vertical displacement is 0. The time of flight is clear. So a ball is thrown so that its height is h1 and h2 at a time t1 and t2. Okay. So follow the projectile motion equations. What is the height equation is what? Y is equal to uy sin theta t minus what is that? Of g t square. Clear? Am I correct or not? Yes. Then they are asking time of flight. Okay. For this, h1 is equal to uy sin theta t1 minus half g t1 square. Next, h2 is equal to uy sin theta 2 minus half gt square. Clear? Then the ball is thrown at an angle with the horizontal and its vertical displacement is 0. Then the time of flight. They are asking t. Time of flight means for this journey, if you take it capital T, or you take it small t. Then we have to get in terms of t1 and t2, right? So yeah, this is uy is u sin theta. This is u sin theta. Reason, y is equal to uyt minus half gt square. Uy is u sin theta. Clear? I written wrong there. This is not uy. Clear? They are asking total time of flight. What is total time of equation? 2u sin theta by g. If we get 2u sin theta by g, then we will get the answer. So from this, add these two. Then h1 plus h2, h1 plus h2. Then this will be u sin theta t1 plus u sin theta t2 minus half g t1 square minus half g t2 square. Right? So h1 plus h2. What is common in this? U sin theta is common. T1 plus T2. Here what is common? Half G is common. T1 square plus T2 square. From this, you make it this subjective. Then U sin theta T1 plus T2 is equal to what do you get? H1 plus H2. This minus goes that side. It will be plus 1 by 2. G T1 square plus T2 square. Now u sin theta make it subjective. Then H1 plus H2 by T1 plus T2 plus 1 by 2 G T1 square plus T2 square by T1 plus T2. You can write like this also. Clear? Actually it will become total. Denominator is total, but I have written individual. Clear? Then we have this, we need to make it simplified because options given only T1, T2 and this like that. Clear? So h1 plus in terms of t1 t2. Then if I write this, u sin theta will be here, this g will be cancelled. Then g we got it in terms of 1 by g is there. 1 by g, t is equal to 2 times 2 h1 plus h2 by t. This we do not have. Clear? Yeah, here u sin theta we got h1 plus h2 by t1 plus t2 plus half g t1 square plus t2 square by t1 plus t2. So we are getting lengthy derivation. To avoid this, we will make it simple because the options are not there with this. So we will change the solution. Only equation. Instead of doing this, we will follow different method. Clear? So H1 equation is that H2 is u sin theta t2 minus half g t2 square. From first equation, make it u sin theta 1 subject to u sin theta 1. This I am making subject to. This comes this side. So h1 plus half g t2 square. Then u sin theta is, this is half g t1 square. T1 square. Then u sin theta is equal to, t comes to this side. So h1 by t1 plus 1 by g of g t1 square by t1. 1 cancel. So what do you have? U sin theta is equal to h1 by t1 plus half g t1 because 1 t1 square cancel. So this is from first equation. Similarly, second equation, how do we write? Sin theta is equal for second equation h2 by t2 plus half g t2. But in time of flight, what is there? 2u sin theta is there. So you add these two now. Then what do you get? 2u sin theta is equal to h1 by t1 plus h2 by t2 plus half g t1 plus half g t2. Then this is h1 by t1 plus h2 by t2 plus half g is common, t1 plus t2. This is what? 2u sin theta. This 2u sin theta substitute in time of flight. Then t is equal to 1 by g bracket start. 2u sin theta by g. This I can write 1 by g into 2u sin theta. So 1 by g h1 by t1 plus h2 by t2. Okay, this one term plus 1 by 2 put bracket 1 by 2 g t1 plus t2. Why I taken this? This is 1 by g multiplying this terms once and g term 1 I written. Nothing wrong by writing this. Now 1 by g multiplying inside. So h1 by t1 plus h2 by t2 into 1 by g plus this again multiply here. 1 by g into 1 by 2g into t1 plus t2. Now this bracket remove because 1 by g multiply. Gg cancel. This we can write t1 plus t2 by 2. 1 by 2 is there, multiply 1 t1 plus t2 by 2 plus remaining term is what? 1 by g h1 by t1 plus h2 by t2. So this is the given answer. So previously what? So previously what we have done to get to previous in the before we taken only u sin theta. There we got it only u sin theta. Then we substituted u sin theta here. That's what we got big derivation. To avoid that, follow this. Based on the options, we need to select the derivations. Clear? I have done detail, but you can do from directly from here. Clear? From here. Okay? Next 22. If a person can throw a ball to a maximum height h vertically, then the maximum distance thrown which it can be thrown horizontally by the same person. If a person can throw a ball maximum height vertically, he throws this vertically. This is h max. That is u square by g. U square by 2g maximum height. Clear? Next, same person with the same ball thrown horizontal maximum distance. If we throw horizontal, then what would be the horizontal distance? For maximum horizontal distance, theta is equal to 45. Then what is that R max formula? That is u square by g. Clear? From this u square by g, how do you write? U square by g is equal to 2h max. Then this will be 2h max. When theta is equal to 45, R will become u square by g. Understand? So u square by g value I written from h max. So this is 2 into h or 2h max. Next 23. 23 it is related to what percentage in error. So that is there in the first chapter that we did not discuss, units and measurements. Once it's completed, you will come to know 23. Clear? So remaining we'll see in the next class. Clear? Till then you practice this.